On his 40th birthday, Ogie Alcacid has his girlfriend Regine Velasquez as organizer of the event, reminiscent of our high school prom night. Dubbed as King and Queen of Hearts, most of the well-wishers who arrived at the Manila Polo Club last Monday obliged to follow the theme. Regine, being the punong abala, had her boyfriend Ogie in for a big surprise.
Surprise na naman.
Surprise. Madami, but he knows naman kung hindi naman talaga surprise yung party. But yung mga details kung ano mangyayari, parang pahagyo lang na alam niya, pero not everything. So, basta pinagandaan na lang namin pareho. Kasi alam naman niya. So,
then came the night of celebration. Tinatayang aabot sa 300 katao ang mga bisita ni Ogie. Larawan nga ng nakakakilig na pare sina Ogie at Regine, as if to tell the world na ang relasyong nakuha nilang itago noon ng matagal na panahon ay pagsasamang dapat ipagmalaki sa harap ng mga taong nagmamahal sa kanila. At tulad din ng karaniwang prom night, ipinahayag din ang King and Queen of Hearts ng gabing yon. Inarguably, from the look of it, Ogie and Regine could not be any happier. They have made the crucial yet right decision to admit their relationship to the public. At nauunawaan sila ng kanilang mga kaibigan.
Siguro nung Feb, tumawag si Reg. And then, yun nga yung kanyang concern. So, I only told her, hindi ka magkakamali kung magpapakatotoo ka, di ba? If you will just tell the truth or keep quiet until such time when you're all prepared, both of you. So, yun lang. Pero I am happy for them and I wish them all the best. Keep on loving each other. May you have a very fruitful relationship.
Happy ako for both of them. Even before pa naman hindi lumabas yun, alam ko na rin. So, at least ngayon, wala silang dapat itago. Nagmamahalan silang dalawa, kaya pagpatuloy nila yan.
I knew that eventually it would come to this, so I'm happy for both of them actually.
Masayang-masaya ang buong bayan na masayang-masaya ka rin. Sana patuloy ang ligaya sa iyong buhay. Congratulations sa lahat na na-accomplish mo sa buhay. I look up to you. I'm very happy for the both of them. Very, very happy. And I think the whole Philippines agrees with that.
Naaaliw ako sa kanila kasi para silang everything is so new to them. Nag-usap kasi kami ni Reg and ni Ogie and sabi nila na parang they're really enjoying this time because they're free to walk around, to go to the places that they want to go to. And ganun lang talaga yun. The truth will always set you free. So I'm very happy for you guys and I hope that you will share a love that will really, really last a lifetime and even beyond.
Then it was Regine's turn to sing to the tune of Pangarap Ko Ang Ibigin Ka. Yes, her dream came true. At lalo pang wala nang makakahadlang pa sa mas malalaki nilang plano, makaraang masaksihan sa programang SOP noong linggo ang pag-uusap sa pagitan ni Regine at Michelle Van Imren. Lumitaw na nakakabilib si Michelle dahil sa lawak ng pang-unawa nito.
Naiyak din ako Lahat naman masaya because I know both of them. I know Michelle very well because before, di ba, they did the show sila, di ba, ni Bing. So I know Michelle very well and I know her to be a very down-to-earth, practical person at saka very loving. And I am really very pleased with the way all of them handled the issue.
Siyempre, I was very grateful, very grateful to Michelle and of course to Regine na nag-usap sila and ewan ko, parang kababalaghan yung nangyari yun, but I'm very thankful to God, syempre, that nagkaroon ng ganun.
yung nakita niyo sa SOP, yun na yun. I don't want to say anything about it anymore because yun na yun. It was our first time to talk in public and I think
Alam niyo yung ginawa ni Regine. Ako paiba yun. I mean, hindi madali yung ginawa mo. And in fact, I was talking to Michelle today. Sabi niya, I hope, kasi parang naririnig niya umiiyak si Regine. So, oo naman si Regine iyak na niya. Sabi ko, Michelle, syempre, kinakabahan din si Regine. So,
But Michelle
and I
is...
thank you.
Michelle is such a... She was so great. She was so funny. She was Papagalo. Ang cute.
Nakikita niya talagang Michelle is an incredible person.
Oh, yes. I was so happy to talk to Michelle. I was happy that finally we're out, not hiding anymore.
You look very pretty tonight. Has anyone told you that?
No.
Isang kiss na.
Hindi pa.
Ayan, yan na yun.
Ito pala.
Yan.
Ito pala.
In deference to Michelle, Ogie has time and again expressed that legally, there are things to be settled before he sees himself married again.
I'm praying that everything will happen without a hitch. Kumbaga, kung gaano kabilis yun, hindi ko alam. Only God knows kung ano mangyayari.
Respeto rin sa pribadong buhay ni Michelle sa Australia ang iginagawad ni Ogie.
Alam mo, pangako ko po kay Michelle yan that I will never ever talk about her private life. Kung ano man ang lumalabas yun, bigay na lang natin kay Michelle yun na, you know, she has her own private life.